Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel. And this is the website, PSX website, from where I want to download the data. And what I can do, I can make an Excel file, download each file separately. But what I did, I asked the AI to make me an agent, Python-based agent, in which that agent can, whenever I give the command, it will go to the website, it will download the file, and it will also extract the data from that file and give me the Excel file. So this is I gave the prompt to AI, and this is the little bit code you need to understand, and just like the Py PDF too. That is the package in which Python will read the PDF, download the PDF, and as you can see, I have given the command that download 30 companies from the website that I just showed you, and it started in processing, and he's downloading almost fifth company the soft Python code is. And as you can see, they are downloading like 880M his 2005 annual report, and it's downloading it, then 2004 annual report, and they are going to review it, and review it. After the review, it will give me the whole Excel file of data. So the cumbersome of manual edit is gone here. This is the file which I required from this is the sample file. This is what I required from the agent to create for me. And as you can see, there are corporate governance data and auditor report data which I need. Um, so I asked him to make me that agent, and that what I need from uh, the software uh, to do for me. And this Excel file, it will create for me. So right now, as you can see, it's after some time, after it take a lot of time, it's finished. And now let's see the PSX output file. And you can see there are PDFs that it has downloaded, and there are 30 companies and 5 years annual reports. Whatever he find, he has downloaded it from the website which I have given, and that website was open source. Giving away all the annual reports. So my agent, AI agent, basically Python agent, has the command to download it. So now what I want to show you is the output file, that is PSX corporate governance analysis data. First, let's see at the execution log. This is the log which it will create all the time, so that you can see what it has done. The next day when I'm going to run this command again, it will start from the previous log. So it stops at the 30th company. It will start from the 31st company. So PSX corporate governance data, let's look at it. It's the output data. As you can see, PSS corporate governance and auditor opinion. It's a data source date, and there are 30 companies and 150 records. So as you can see, whatever he find, the agent have find, it has given the value to it. It doesn't apply zeros to the empty files. That is a little bit manual. But look at the auditor opinion. Now, if there is a good opinion, then two assigned to it. If there is a adverse opinion, that -1 is, and if the report is qualified, then there is a zero assigned to it. So uh, there are positives and negatives. It has provided me with the data, and whoever the auditor name are mentioned in the annual report, it is also extracted that. Then there is a corporate governance related, like board size. Some of the data has been provided, some missing data and some wrong data is also there. We have to look at it over the way, but overall the file is very good. Missing values, I will replace them with zero because they have not reported it. So whistleblowing, if someone didn't report, didn't do whistleblowing, then it assigned it zero, like CEO chair, and also gender pay gap and ESG disclosures, the reports who did the ESG disclosure, that is signed with one, otherwise zero. So this is the whole scenario. Uh, if you need the help regarding that, you can contact me. You can like and subscribe for more videos like that. Thank you so much.